It seems Teespring's boosted network is back. Or I guess it never really went. Let me explain in this really quick video. So I got a DM from someone called lie_vin_. Probably not their real name, but does it matter? No, they sent me a DM saying, I don't think the boosted network is over, and they got this email from Teespring. So let's read this email. It says, hi there. In our transition to Spring, we made the decision to rethink and rebuild how discovery works for creators on our platform. We are continuing to invest in boosted network, pushing the highest quality products to third-party marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Wish, and others in order to help put creative products in front of more fans and generate more sales. And then they sent an article to go and read, a blog post, and they said, your friendly creator experience member, Jessica. So I did a bit of digging to see what was going on, because if the boosted network is there, that is quite a big deal. But before we do, please don't forget to smash that like button. If anything, just do it for my birthday. And an even better birthday present would be subscribing, because I'm trying to get to 50K. So thank you, I really appreciate it, and let's get right back into the video. I know yesterday I said I wasn't sure if I was going to post a video today, but here I am, and I guess I'm posting a video. So I hope you enjoy. So firstly, let's just fully understand what the boosted network is. The boosted network is an integration between Teespring and over 7 other platforms like Etsy, Wish, Amazon, eBay, and other platforms as well. The boosted network makes it easy for you to sell your products worldwide on all these other platforms without having to do the marketing side of things. It allows you to earn organic sales through the marketplace search. They add products to the boosted network automatically. There's no cost, there's no listing fees, nothing. And you're guaranteed a specific profit margin, whether or not it's a lot or a little. That's quite nice to know what you're going to be getting. And lastly, if you want to get into the boosted network, guess what you're going to need? That's right, a trust score. You're going to need the legendary Teespring trust score, which you get by getting your first sales, and then you need to maintain a good trust score by getting sales, adhering to Teespring's policies, and creating new, fresh, innovative designs that Teespring may not have seen before. That is what they like to increase your trust score, which will hopefully boost you across more boosted networks to get you more sales. Okay, back to the video. Let's go to the Teespring article that we saw earlier on from that Instagram message and have a look at it. The first thing that threw me is the article starts with the sentence, Spring has integrated some of the most engaged marketplaces across the web. But this article is dated February the 2nd, 2018. So why is Teespring sending out an article that's dated 3 years ago as updated relevant information? And as well as that, why is the name Spring in this article if it was made 3 years ago? Did they just update the first paragraph and then just keep the old article? This is what kind of confused me, and I did a whole bunch of research and digging on their website to see their blog posts, and I thought maybe they just got the date wrong. You know, maybe they're just backdated or whatever. But they're not. The dates are all right on all the other articles, so why is this one dated 2018? And then reading the rest of the article, I started to realize this article has got nothing to do with Spring and the boosted network and how they're going to work together. It's more just about the boosted network and what it is, how it works, you know, and everything about it. It's got nothing to do with Spring or Teespring. It's just about the boosted network. So is this relevant nowadays? Does this mean that there will be a boosted network now? It's impossible to say really based on this article. I wish the article, you know, kind of said something more about Spring and its relationship to the boosted network and how they were going to be connected and how they were going to work together. So do I believe this will stay? I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? One thing I am certain of is it looks like the Teespring marketplace has indeed gone. So if you go to the Teespring website, you won't see a marketplace there. It will disappear. So yes, maybe the boosted network is staying and you'll be able to shop Teespring products on third-party websites, but shopping for Teespring products on the Teespring website doesn't seem like it's going to happen anymore. So getting a better trust score through the Teespring marketplace doesn't seem possible, but I guess you can still get a better trust score through the boosted network marketplace if you ever get shown. It's it's all a bit like what's happening in a way. Like we don't really know. We don't really know what the boosted network is, how it works, how to get on it, how to do the trust score. It's all very confusing. But if you were worried about there not being a boosted network, you not getting any sales on Teespring anymore, hopefully this should make you quite happy and less worried, because there is still a chance for you to get sales through Teespring's own marketing. So that's really good news. I'm happy about that. I'm not sure if this is meant to be a good thing or not, and to be honest, I'm not even sure on how valid this blog post is, because if it is from 2018, why are they sending it out as if it's from now with updated information? One thing that I am sure about is driving your own traffic is going to be so important, especially now in 2021, and I've got a whole bunch of videos coming out about that in the near future, so definitely subscribe, turn on notifications, because we're in this uncertain world where print-on-demand companies can suspend you or close your account or do anything, because I mean, they're the ones with the power. But if you're able to drive your own traffic to your stores, whether or not they're Redbubble stores or Teespring stores or Zazzle stores, if you have a base of your own traffic and let's say Zazzle closed down your store, you still have that base of traffic. You can just redirect them to somewhere else, right? That's the beauty of having an audience that, will follow and buy your products. Thank you so much for watching this super quick update video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing weekend.